how to change audio language in YouTube videos. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, you want to go ahead and open YouTube on your phone. For this video, I'm gonna use the video of Mr. Beast. Now you have to take a note that not every videos in YouTube have this specific feature. So to change audio language, you wanna tap on the settings that is on the top right corner and then tap on audio track, which is the very last option. So from here you can choose any language that is available here. You cannot change to any other language except for what is available here. So again, you have to keep in mind that this option is not available in every video in YouTube. So that is how you can change the audio. To change the caption, you want to tap on settings again, then you want to tap on captions, and you can also change the language of your caption. And that is how you can change audio language in YouTube videos. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.